Hey everyone, Zach Passe, it's in. If you move into Florida, one of the biggest questions you ask is, should I buy a pool home? Today I'm giving you a complete 2026 buyer guide to Northport pool homes. Why pool homes are so popular in Florida. Florida is hot. Let's be honest. Having a pool gives you daily relaxation, a private oasis, a great space for entertaining, higher resale value. Most buyers tell me once they move here, they can't imagine not having a pool. So true. There are different types of pools you'll see in Northport and surrounding areas. We have saltwater pools, heated pools, sunshine pools with clean lines. Saltwater is low maintenance. Heated pools extend your swimming season, and sunshells are amazing for lounging. What pool homes cost in 2026? I would suggest you go to a pool company and ask questions there. But entry-level pool homes start around $300K to $390,000. And newer pool home go for $400,000 and more. Luxury home go higher. Pool age, care condition, and heater type affect the price. What buyers must inspect? Pool equipment, condition of the pool cage, heater, electric versus solar, surface condition, water quality, roof age because insurance is affected. I walk every buyer through this checklist. How to choose the right pool home. Ask yourself, do you want privacy? Do you prefer new construction or older charm? Do you want a lake view? Do you entertain guests often? Do you want saltwater or chlorine? Your lifestyle determines your pool needs. If you want a list of available pool homes that match your budget, send me a message. I'll send you my curated list right away. Make sure you subscribe. The next video that is all about buying a second home in Florida. That's it for now. Bye-bye.